YouTube is the place to be for aspiring content creators for two reasons. You have to get 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize on YouTube. 5 YouTube tips to grow a new channel in 2023. 1. Pick the right channel name. The perfect YouTube channel name has your company or personal name in it. Has a word or phrase that categorizes it. Is short and easy to say. Stuck? Just use your first and last name. Many of YouTube's most successful creators use their name, such as Peter McKinnon, Michelle Phan, and of course, the inventor of the modern vlog, Casey Neistat. 2. Pick the right niche. Relax. This is easier than choosing a channel name. Why? Because unlike death and taxes, you can change your content niche. You may think you're passionate enough about something to fill hundreds of hours worth of content. But, you'll find out for sure when the grind gets tough and you don't want to get up early and film another video about it. You can change your niche later, although it may risk alienating any audience you've already built, so do spend some time defining what your channel is going to be about. To pick your niche, ask yourself, what do I lose track of time doing? What could I talk to my friends about for hours? In my free time, what do I search, watch, and learn? 3. Set a consistent posting schedule. The road to YouTube failure is paved with good intentions. If you want to be a serious YouTuber, you need to treat it like the job it is. That means setting a consistent and realistic publishing schedule and sticking to it. Many new creators plan on one video per week. But if you're just starting, you're likely juggling a full-time job and other responsibilities. Once weekly may not be realistic for you. Consistency matters more than frequency. If you can only make a video once every 2 weeks, that's fine. Creator burnout is a huge issue. TikToker and YouTuber Jack Innanen summed it up as, I get to the point where I'm like, I have to make a video today, and I spend the entire day dreading the process. Sticking to a sustainable schedule will keep you moving forward without burning out, increasing the chances you'll stay with your creator journey long enough to see results. 4. Make small improvements in every video. Spicy YouTube marketing tip, you can't get views and subscribers without first having videos. As popular YouTuber Ali Abdaal says, your first video is going to suck. He recommends instead of trying to make every video the best, try to improve one small element each time. Try a new title sequence, add some background music, or test a new editing software. Those small changes add up over time to improve your channel without being overwhelming. 5. YouTube is a search engine, like Google, except the search results are all video. Keywords help the YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about, making it more likely to show up in the suggested column alongside related videos. This means you have a better chance of reaching new viewers. 6. Link to important info in video descriptions. Use the rest of the description field to tell viewers about you, your business, and link out to your other platforms. This can be a boilerplate template that's more or less the same for each video, though consider tweaking it if you have a sale, special offer, or event to promote. You mentioned any products in your video. Include affiliate links. 7. Set your channel tags. Channel keywords act like general labels for your channel, telling YouTube what your main topics are. The titles and descriptions of each of your videos are more important for your overall YouTube SEO, but these take 5 seconds to set up, so why not, right? 8. Try YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are crucial for promoting your channel, which is especially important for new creators. As of Q2 2022, YouTube Shorts bring in over 30 billion daily views. Shorts are videos under 15 seconds, although you can combine up to 4 15-second segments into one 60-second short. YouTube automatically categorizes any video under 60 seconds as a short. Shorts have this red symbol in search results and feeds. This was it. I hope you understand what I have said so far. Please let me bother you with something before it happens. Please help me by subscribing and like this video. Thank you, bye bye.